Join us every day as we celebrate the Weather Channel's 40th anniversary. Relive the moments that have made us America's most trusted TV news network.
If you have a shelter, get in it right now.
And look ahead at a future of forecasting and climate coverage that will keep you trusting in us for another 40 years.
A wind advisory is in effect. Tonight, windy with partly cloudy skies. A stray shower or thunderstorm is possible. Low 68. Saturday, windy with scattered thunderstorms. High 75. Chance of rain 60%. Saturday night, windy with thunderstorms early. Low 47. Chance of rain 60%. Here's our 7-day outlook.
Right now, this is a live look here from Potter County, Texas. I'm not sure how far away from Amarillo, but this is the county where Amarillo is located. And there is one big storm right now that is covering the entire county here, Potter County. And this is some large hail. See the big chunks of hail. Just eyeballing it here, it looks like there may be some ping pong size hail as these cars are cruising along, with also some rain that has come down. A lot of lightning associated with a lot of these storms here, and the threat for damaging winds also with us. The wind's blowing as well. This is in Hays, Kansas, where it's currently 84 degrees. And you can really see the wind blowing. And it's 84 degrees right now. Plenty of blue sky at the moment, enough to help destabilize the atmosphere here. And storms are going to be possible across quite a bit of Kansas through the rest of this evening and going into tonight. I want to show you what we're tracking right now on the radar. Several severe thunderstorm warnings right now. This is the one down here where Charles Peak is. There's actually two, but it's the northern one. And then here in Kansas, also through Wyoming and South Dakota. And I would expect we may get some into this area right here in Nebraska. But want to start off right now north of Albuquerque in New Mexico, where there's dust storm warning. In fact, there's two of them here. And the danger, of course, with this is the reduced visibilities. When you're driving, it can make it very difficult, if not impossible, to see. So there's going to be a wind component and you can't see very well. This is the visible satellite, and you can even see some of that dust right in here. It kind of has that brown look to it. You can kind of see how it's moving right in there. So some of the dust now visible from space, Tevin. What an active afternoon here.
Yeah, Chris, and we want to go back to Colorado with a closer look at Hill Rose, a small town of some 300 people and about 100 miles northeast of Denver. Today, they are facing the fiercest of winds. My goodness, you can see that camera shaking. And strong winds, by the way, can be a big danger while driving. Meteorologist Mark Elliott shows us how to stay safe.
High wind events can be deadly, especially if you're caught outside or on the road. Here are a few measures to take if you're caught outside during a high windstorm. If you are not near a sturdy building, take shelter in your car. Move your car to a location where it is least likely to be hit by falling trees or power lines. If you find yourself with no shelter, be mindful of trees, power lines, and the side of the road. Remember, power lines that are on the ground might be live. Do not go near them or touch them. If you're driving, hold the steering wheel with both hands and slow down. Keep a good distance from high-profile vehicles. Trucks, buses, and vehicles towing trailers only need one strong gust of wind to flip on their side.
And although it's the middle of spring, people here in Big Sky, Montana are bracing for another big winter storm. Look at it coming down. It's rain, it's the snow. Now we see the visibility has dropped down next to nothing. You can see a new coating of snow there on the grounds, by the way, but it's not just snow going into the weekend we'll be looking at. It is a blowing snow. It's a reduced visibility. Some may call it a blizzard. Yep, we do have blizzard warnings posted for eastern North Dakota, northwestern South Dakota, and eastern portions of Montana, and also northeastern portions of Wyoming as well. So from Miles City to Gillette to Casper to Hill City to Williston there and Buffalo, South Dakota, we will really be stuck on a rut this weekend. We can take a closer look as to why. Yeah, a lot of warmth, by the way, across the eastern U.S. Colder air comes in with this trough, though, and embedded in that trough, we also see strong and gusty winds, especially in this section, too. A lot of rising motion spreads north and east. This system really rips through the Dakotas and eventually into southern portions of Canada. But along with that cold air, there's ample moisture in place. So, yes, not only is it a snow, it's also a blowing snow, too, where gusts could surpass 35 to 45 miles an hour. In terms of timing, it's rain first. That's into the overnight hours and into tomorrow, and then tomorrow morning the snow showers take hold from the west to the east. So from Billings to Miles City, also Casper, Bismarck, Minot on a mix of rain and snow before all snow takes hold throughout the day on Saturday, Chris, and into Sunday. So I know the calendar says, what, April the 22nd, but I think we're still stuck in February with this.
Gosh, you know, spring feels like you're stuck in a washing machine sometimes, right?
Yeah.
Your head's spinning, the whole body's spinning at times. Let's take a look at tomorrow's trouble spots tonight with the blizzard conditions expected in the northern tier and not too far away. Some of the same latitudes, severe weather is possible. Can't rule out the chance there could be tornadoes. Also dealing with some warmth and some wind still across parts of the Lone Star State. Got one more thing after this.